Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, and we are so proud to present to our community and our area the great NauticStar boat line. NauticStar has been around 25 years, and actually they are the #1 selling fiberglass boat in the entire industry, and they build a great boat. We consider them to be, for the money, medium price range boat, to be the best on the water. And they are so dry, so smooth, great quality. They have about 24 models in all, from deck boats to bay to offshore styles, and it's a wood-free, solid wood-free construction, limited lifetime hull warranty. The hull has a vinyl ester barrier coat that's durable and resistant to cracking and corrosion, always shiny. And the fiberglass inner liner is also single-piece molded. It is just a great boat. Right here we're looking at the 2602 Legacy, and it's twin engines. And as you can see, the boat just has a lot to offer. You've got the SeaDek in the entranceway. You've got the redesigned custom leaning post with live well, and you've got another live well in the back. This has the twin 150 Yamahas, and the boat will go about 55-60 miles an hour. And you got a full fiberglass finished head inside with a porta potty, and it's got just all kinds of things. And if I can get up here and show you a little bit, you got your raw water washdown, your freshwater washdown. One good thing about this Legacy model, you got seats all the way across. There's a seat that goes here, cushion, and you got the live well there on the back, and a large live well here with your freshwater washdown as well, and your controls there. We've already got SIMRAD electronics here, and your Yamaha controls, and the Infinity Bluetooth stereo, and your SeaDek down here. You see the seat backs, and they come back into the gunnel, so you have bolsters to lean against. We got the same color of the hull, this pewter gold hull, got the same color under the hardtop. So again, we are just really thrilled to be offering the entire line of NauticStar, and the boat you're looking at is the 2602 Legacy. And I'd love to show you the boat in person and all the boats that they have. We have the entire line here, can show you all of them are 2019s, and would love to show you personally this 2602 Legacy. It's got the windlass anchor, as you can see, and a beautiful, beautiful boat. And I have ridden this boat. She will fly, but it is dry and smooth. Would love to have you. Call me, Bob Fowler, 850-527-5645, or you can email me at bob.fowler@marinemax.com, and you can see full pictures of this boat at our website at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Thanks a lot. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.